Welcome back to my channel. This is Nicole with Vintage Pigeon, XO Russell on my Poshmark closet, and XO Russell Posh at Instagram. I wanted to talk to you today about negotiating when you get an offer, how to counter offer, not only that, but how to do some research to decide what your counter offer should be. I used this specific piece because it's an expensive designer piece. I have listed for $422. You can see that here on the top. And this person offered me $150. I counter offered at $350, and then she declined. Before I waste any time trying to figure out whether I should keep on going back and forth with this person, I will do a few things. I found comps on this vintage Roberto Cavalli raccoon tail piece, which came to $284, selling on eBay within the last 30 days, exact same size. So I want to communicate that with this offer. I'm going to create a bundle. Go into your bundles. If you want to go into your seller's bundles, now I'm going to right here, you can see I wrote her, hello, thank you for the offer. This piece is a one-owner home, yada, yada, yada. I have a comp selling for $284, and that's why I'm countering the way I am, and I'd be happy to share that with you if you'd like my email address. You can see there how I communicated with this person, and then I went back and I made my counter offer. At that time, my counter offer was... So my counter offer was $350. Now, have I taught you any major tricks yet? No. I counter offered $350 and she declined it. 18 hours go by. She ended up making me an offer, increasing her offer to $175. At that point, I can see that this person is obviously not forgetting about this piece, and I know it's a unique piece. I'm not trying to give you tips on how to negotiate bread and butter stuff necessarily, but so I decided I needed to investigate this buyer. The way that you do that, this is where the trick comes in, is you go into their closet and see, you know what, they're really not that much of a seller. Then you can go and hit the About button. When you hit the About button, you can see that they've gotten love notes that they've received, which is 0, and love notes they've given. By looking at the love notes they've given and hitting on the item, you can see what item they have purchased. Here, she spent $200 on a jacket, I believe, or I don't even know, but, oh, boots. She spent $200 on a pair of boots. So that's an indication to me that she likes high-end stuff. Then I went to the next love note. She only had 2. And her next love note was something I wanted to see, because that would give me another good indication of what kind of money she's spending on Poshmark. And I like to notice the dates as well, even though it was a while ago. Sometimes you'll see people that have, many purchases. She spent $200 on these boots, and also spent $500 on a pair of Louis Vuitton boots. So obviously this buyer knows what she likes and will spend the money. At that point, I will decide how to counteroffer. I know what my bottom line is, like I said. I already shared that information with her. She did not respond in writing, just by numbers. And I counteroffered at $325. This, I think, is a significant trick. It is a value to you if you can go into people's closets. Number 1, see what kind of closet they have. Number 2, check out their love notes. Number 3, check out the love notes they have been given, not the love notes they gave. So in follow-up, I put in the counter offer of $325, and again, another day goes by, or 12 hours, whatever it is, and this customer comes back to this piece. Again, still has not communicated with me through the bundle, and I want to show you that this is a vintage Roberto Cavalli. So, if this has helped you in any way, or you'd like to see any more of my content, please subscribe, hit the like button, and press for notifications. I will be actually giving away a mystery box worth $150 after I reach 100 subscribers. So the next video I plan on doing is going to be this entire vintage haul. I started with a short video of the furs that I got in this vintage haul. You can watch that on my channel. And then I will just be going through this. It's a lot of 80s and 90s clothes.